This is part 2 of the National 5 walkthrough of the 2015 chemistry exam. Okay, question 6 to question 9 in section 1. Question 6. What is the charge in the chromium ion in CrCl3? Right. Chromium chloride is an ionic compound. It has a chromium metal and a chlorine non-metal. Okay, it has 3 chlorines joined to 1 chromium. Okay, now if each chlorine becomes Cl negative by gaining electrons, if there are 3 chlorines, it means it's gained 3 electrons in total. Therefore, the chromium must have given away 3 electrons and it's become 3 positive charge. Good thing to remember there is metals always become positively charged. Question 7. The table contains information about calcium chloride. Okay, when molten calcium chloride is electrolyzed at 800 degrees, the calcium appears as a. Now, what they've done here is they've taken a beaker and they've heated it up at 800 degrees. At 800 degrees, calcium chloride turns to a liquid. Okay, when it's a liquid, they've then, using a direct current, we've electrolyzed the compound. Okay, now metals again are always positively charged, so the calcium ions are attracted to the negative. Okay, now this is the important bit. Okay, the calcium is less dense or more dense. It's less dense than the calcium chloride. It's only 1.5, so what would happen is the calcium would sit on the top. Okay, of the electrolyzed solution. Also, when it gets to the top, its melting point is 842, which is above the 800 degrees that we're using. So therefore, it would appear as a solid. So it would appear as a solid on the surface of the molten calcium chloride. Okay. That's answer C. Right. Question 8. The equation XALSYBr2 goes to AlBr3. Nice little balancing equation. Okay, you can work through this by trial and error. Alright, if you use example A and you have 1 aluminium, 2 Br2s and 1 aluminium bromide, this does not work, because if you look, 2 times 2 is a total of 4, but on the right hand side we've only got 3 bromines, so let's rule out A. Let's look at B. B, 2 aluminiums, 3 bromines and 2 aluminium bromides. First of all, we have 2 aluminiums on the left hand side, we have 2 aluminiums on the right hand side, so they're balanced. Now let's count the bromines. 2 times 3 equals 6. And on the other side we have 2 times 3 again, which also equals 6. So answer B is a balanced equation. Question 9. 0.2 moles of a gas has a 0.2 moles of a gas has a mass of 12.8. So the first thing we want to do is work out what a mole weighs. Okay, so we know 0.2 weighs 12.8. 1 mole would equal X. We're not sure about that yet. So with a little bit of cross multiplying, 1 times 12 divided by 0.2, we can work out that 1 mole should weigh 64 grams. Alright, now it's a case of going through the 4 options and finding which one weighs 64 grams. Using this page of a data book, we can go through them. So the top one is sulfur dioxide. So we have got 2 oxygens, 2, and we've got 1 sulfur. Oxygen weighs 16 and sulfur weighs 32. 2 times 16 is 32, 1 times 32 is 32, and together we've got 64, which was what we were looking for. So the answer is A. If you work through the other ones though, carbon monoxide, which is deadly, 1 times 16, 1 times 12. Again, oxygen is over here, 16, and carbon is over here, 12, 28. Not the right answer. Carbon dioxide, 2 times 16, 1 times 12, equals 44. Again, not the right answer. And the last one, NH3, ammonia, 3 times 1, hydrogen, simplest thing in the universe, 1 times 14. So the answer for question 9 is A. Thanks very much. Any comments, please leave them.